Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is Verb Phrase 594. Verb phrase today is to think twice, and we're also covering to not think twice, and there is a clear difference between the two. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's get right to it. If someone says that a person should think twice, it means one should reconsider and use more judgment. And if one is still going to proceed, one should do it with caution. One should be careful. Okay. If someone does not think twice about something, it means he or she did not even take notice or not worry about something, especially something one should have considered or possibly been worried about. Okay, let's continue. The idea for this phrase may have been around a lot longer, but its use with this wording didn't become popular until around the 1880s, possibly due to a poem named Think Twice by Eugene F. Ware. Here is a quote from his poem: "Results are often grievous when people get too previous. Think twice is good advice." Yeah, so grievous meaning, bad, you regret. And of course, too previous means you act too soon, basically, at that time. All right, let's continue. And we got 5 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. "That sounds like a risky investment to me. If I were you, I would think twice." All right, number 2. "You must punish them when they break the rules. If you don't, they won't think twice about not doing it next time." So this is one about not thinking twice. They won't even worry about it or consider it. All right, number 3. "I would think twice about quitting your job before finding a new one. The economy is not so good, and you may end up out of a job for a long time." Okay, number 4. "I would think twice about saying that. I know it sounds like the right thing to do, but it may end up backfiring." Okay, and the last one here. "He doesn't think twice about spending all that money on a sports car, but he complains when I spend money on the clothes I buy." Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.